Hey everyone, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to Let's Cook with Elle. My name is Princess, and on this video I'm going to be showing you a chicken curry recipe. I've never done this on this channel, so I hope you guys enjoy it. It's very easy, it's very simple. I'm going to show you step by step on how to do it. If you're not subscribed yet, please do subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumb up. Comment down below and share with everyone, partage with everyone, and click on the bell so you can be up to date with my videos. Before I do get started, I want to say a big thank you to Costack Spices for sponsoring today's video. I'll leave all the details in the description box below so you can get your own. So without further ado, let's get it started. So guys, I'm going to quickly go through the ingredients with you. So I've got here 2 spring onions, really small spring onion. I've got half of a medium onion. I'm not going to use everything. I'm going to show you the quantity that I'm going to be using and everything. I've got some Greek yogurt. I've got chopped in tomatoes, 500 grams of chicken thighs. I love chicken thighs because it's so much juicier than chicken breast. And I've got some vegetable oil here. You can use any oil of your choice. So over here we've got garlic, black pepper, some salt, parsley, Costack Spices, curry powder, and these chilies. So guys, my nephews are going to eat this food, so I'm not going to make it too spicy. When you do make it, you can spice it up, add scotch bonnet if you want to, you know. If I was eating this alone, I'll actually add scotch bonnet. When I previously made this, I added scotch bonnet. It was nice and spicy. Okay guys, so I've cleaned the chicken, so I'm just going to pat it dry. For me, it's a must for me to clean chicken. I know sometimes, I don't know why on the packages it says do not wash. Sorry, but I need to wash it. It makes me feel better. I literally cannot cook meat like that without washing it, so it's a must. What I'm going to do is dice them. And I'm going to remove some of the fat, guys, because I'm going to use some oil. I don't want it to be too oily. So this is completely optional. You don't have to. Just cut them into pieces, just like so. So yeah guys, here we go. I chopped it in small pieces and ready. So what I'm going to do now is season it with just salt and pepper. Like when you're making this chicken curry, you don't need to over season it. So just salt and pepper. I'm using about half a teaspoon of salt and just under half a teaspoon of black pepper. So then mix it together. So I like to do this first so I can leave it aside and prep everything. So yeah guys. So guys, next what I'm going to do is prep the vegetables. So I'm just chopping the onion, spring onion and garlic. So I'm going to dice them as well as the garlic. So I'm basically using half of a medium onion, and I'm going to chop some garlic as well. What I want to do is not going to happen because the knife is quite small, so I'm just doing the best I can. And also chop spring onions. And chilies if you're using some. So guys, what I'm going to do here is add about 2 tablespoons of oil. And what I'm going to do is fry the chicken until it's a bit brown. You know, until it just changed color. Oh my days, the pot had water. I hope it doesn't attack me. Because water and oil, they don't vibe. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add the chicken. I'm just frying it until it changes a bit of color. I just wanted to fry it a little bit, not too much. Then I'll take it off heat. So guys, this is the time where we mix everything together. So I'm gonna add some oil. Yeah, I'm just waiting for that to get hot. And then I'm gonna fry some onions and mix everything together, and it'll be a wrap. As you can see, the chicken is a bit fried, just like this. Yeah, I like to do this because I feel like it tastes better. So guys, I'm gonna fry some onions, garlic, and some spring onion, not too much. I'm gonna leave some greens behind, so for the garnish. So I'm just gonna fry everything together until it's soft. And I'm working on medium to high heat, guys. Once the onion's cooked, I'm gonna add 300 grams of tomatoes, chopped in tomatoes. So guys, we're gonna leave this to cook properly. And as I always say, to know that you see the oil coming up more at the top, and you can also taste it. If it tastes proper sour, then leave it to cook for longer. So guys, as you can see, the tomato is cooked. This is where I add chicken. Mix it together. Then to add a teaspoon of Costack Spices curry powder. And mix it all together. I'll then add some water just above it. Not too much, just above it, as you can see. There you go. And at this stage, you can also taste it and see if you need to add some salt. Then feel free to do so. I'll then close the lid and leave this on medium to high heat for 10 minutes. So now what I'm going to do is add about 100 milliliters of yogurt. Greek yogurt, guys. Greek yogurt. So this is 1 pot of the Greek yogurt. You can get it from the supermarket. And I'm going to mix it all together. You guys, you have to try this. It's so delicious, like seriously. And I'm gonna add some chili, not too much, as I said. The kids are eating it, so I'm just adding a little bit. If you're cooking this for the kids, you can just add a little bit and leave some aside. So if an adult's eating it, then they can just add it themselves. So guys, this is it. You need to try this. It's super easy, super delicious, and full of flavor, guys. This is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. You can eat this with rice, potato, you know. I had it with potato before. It was super delicious. I had it with parsley, rice, and potato once, and it was so yummy. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope it helps someone. And thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll speak to you guys on my next one. Bye.